In this video, I will show you how to download and install iMPlayer on your smart TV. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So here's my smart TV and I'm connected to the internet and I want to install iMPlayer. Now remember, you don't need Google Play Store for the method I'm about to show you. So you come over to this application called Downloader. You don't need any Google Play Store App Store. Downloader is a very easy to use application. You don't have it on your smart TV. Don't, no worries. In the description of this video, there is a guide on how to install the Downloader application to your smart TV. So once you install the Downloader, you just have to launch it. And then in the search bar, you're going to click on it and type in the keyword iMPlayer as I've already typed here. Once you type in the keyword, you're just going to click on go. Please make sure you don't make any typo mistakes. When you click on go, Downloader is going to show you the sources on the internet where you can install iMPlayer straight to your smart TV. So you just have to scroll through them, but I'll say this is the best option. So come over to that fourth option and click on that. And once you click on that, you're going to see the option to install and download the iMPlayer mobile to your smart TV. So you just have to click on install and the application is downloaded to your smart TV. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.